What up, what up? It's your boy Rico. Chilling. Hope y'all having a good day. I'm having a good day. There's my kill switch right there. I was looking for a location to put it. Put it right there. I like it. Love it a lot. Real clean. I never seen it right there in any EF, as far as I know. So what we're gonna do is measure. This is 8 gauge. I'm gonna buy 0 gauge. I mean, not 0 gauge. I'm sorry. I'm gonna buy 4 gauge, but I want it in blue or black. One of those two colors. Not this red. Ugh, this red is horrible. So we gonna measure. I'm gonna set you guys up on a tripod, and we gonna measure and see what we need to cut, so we can run this to the. This will get ran to the fuse box, and the other one would get ran to the battery. So we got to measure and see what we need to cut, and then we can go to like a speaker spot and get the measurements. So let's do that. Basically, what we're going to be doing, as I was explaining inside the car, one will go from the kill switch to the fuse box, and then the other will go from the kill switch all the way to the battery. So we will have to measure this and see what we need to cut. So basically what I'm going to do is feed this, the wire, all the way inside the car to see exactly how much we need. This is the wire right here, and this is inside of the center console. So it will go from basically like here, put it like right there, and then we're gonna go to the other side and pull the slack. You don't want it to be entirely too tight. Like right here. And then we'll make our cut right there. So now that we have one measured out, which is perfect. This one, it was to the key to the fuse box. Now the other one I just pushed through is from the key to the battery. Now let's go inside, check the length, see where we at. You guys can see. Now it's about right there. A little slack. Yeah, we good. So now we just will hold it about right there, and that's where we had cut right there. Bam. So now that we have both of our measurements, let's get these transferred to 4 gauge, because we're not going to run 8 gauge, blue or black, and get them crimped, and then we can install them. Catch you on a bit. We just came back from the music store, back there, got the wires cut, crimped, and let's go back to the house. Sorry for the noise you hear in the background, but we just came back from the radio place, and we have the wires crimped for the kill switch for the car. So let's pop the hood and get these bad boys bolted down. Hey, y'all better not be talking about my young ass shirt. Oh, it's Bruce Lee. So we gotta see which one is longer. The longer one will go to the battery. So we're gonna run that one first. So we'll feed it. Oh yeah, we got blue too. And this one will go to the battery on this side. Got him. Car. So now let's do the firewall. Let's run the other wire. To me, I don't care if you have any vehicle, anything. I don't care if it's something that's at 88 to, I don't know. Well, newer cars now is just damn near impossible to steal. But anything you love, you cherish, that's a vehicle. Like, to me, you should have some type of safety precaution. I mean, you know, anything safety to prevent a thief. Removable steering wheel, battery kill switch, ignition kill switch, anything. You know, they say if a thief really want to steal your car, they're going to steal it. I'm sorry, I go against that, because there's plenty of things you can do to a vehicle to make, I don't care, even the best thief with a tow truck say, fuck no. So let's run this other wire. Here, screwdriver. Close that up. Screwdriver, and let's take this piece off. So, how's y'all day going today? Mine's just going pretty good, I would say. It's hot outside, that's for sure. Oh yeah, in the last video, I really when I edit my videos, I really need to take my time, because I be in a rush sometimes, and when I like doing editing, I like forget something. Like in the last video, the music dropped down. I was editing and the music dropped down, and when I was on the driver's side back tire, I was putting the tire on. What I said was I will be doing a SI rear disc braking version on this car. That's what I said, if you guys was wondering. So let me give you guys a good view of what we're actually doing. So what you're gonna do once you get everything in the engine bay where you want it, you're gonna connect these two that you ran through the firewall right here to these two. So let's do that. Doesn't matter which way they go, you can just put them on anyway. A ratchet or something, and let's tighten these down. Just kind of angle them, make sure they don't touch, and then just hold up. As you guys can see, the way this is, I have to cut the inside right here so to clear, because you don't want nothing right here to ground out on no type of metal. And this is how you want them to look. Slide this back. Put your screws back in. So once all that's tightened, we go tighten everything up. May zip tie those up, or I may leave them down. Everything still works fine. So now that everything is the way we want it, nice and neat, now let's go back to the engine bay. All that is done. I may tuck this one like under there somewhere, but I'm gonna just zip tie these together, put them out the way. You know, something just to slow your average car thief down. And I suggest everybody to do a kill switch on your car. Anything that's, you know, any Honda. But yeah, this your boy SR Rico. Rate, comment, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. And oh yeah, the coilovers got here, so we won't be sitting like a monster truck for much longer. But this your boy SR Rico, and I'm out. Peace.